I know I haven't been on the scene for a little minute, but I've been doing some plannings behind the scenes. Currently, right now, I am doing a photo shoot for ABG Pictures. I know I don't broadcast it a lot, but this is something that I want to dedicate my entire month to. This is an exclusive. You will only see these pictures on ABG Pictures. So if you're not already following that page, go ahead and follow it on Instagram. This is an exclusive. The inch is getting longer this year. I picked up this wrap dress from off of Melrose when I went to California a couple years ago. This is my raw engine here, 28 inches. It's blown all in the wind. Very good quality, love it. Brush through right through it. I was gonna pair this dress with some red heels, but I changed my mind. It was too loud. I just wanted something a little bit more subtle, model tone with the colors. So I just played with grays today. So it's just all gray. It's a great little unique combo I got going on here. Gosh, something bit my legs. I don't know what that was. Out here shooting it, man. We out here shooting it. AVG Pictures all the way. This is the only exclusive right here. You know, I had a different vision for AVG Pictures. I feel like a true artist is inspired no matter what. Everybody has their different inspirations that they go through, right? And for me, I wanted to be able to express my artistic sides, not only through makeup or through hair, but also in photography and videos. And that's what I want everybody to see, that side of me that you normally don't see on an everyday basis, right? So that's the whole vision behind AVG Pictures. Scene right here. I love it. This is one of my favorite scenes right here. It's almost like a down south vibe. Look at how the moss is hanging off the tree. The trees is slightly tilted. To me, this is art. This is a very popping picture right here. Imagine having this as a backdrop. This is why I love my photo shoots. This is it right here. Can you imagine this? It's like an old southern type of vibe that I'm getting from this tree. And that's what it is. Like I explained earlier, everything around you should be able to inspire you. This is inspiration right here. I would love to take a photo or a video in front of that. That's art. That's true art. Woo! Child, I'm starting to sweat. Hey, can somebody bring me my makeup bag? I can't be sweating out here like this. Thank you. Gotta get this together, honey. This makeup thing don't play. Work itself now. Gotta maintain it. The moss. This is what I'm talking about. Especially in this little angle right here. This angle right here is a different side. You see the angle where the tree is kind of slanted off to the side like this, and it has the opening. You know what? I love this angle right here of the tree. You see that opening right there? Hey, can we get in this tree? Because I want to climb it and take a picture of it. Or a video of it or something. This shit right here is dope. I love it. I love this angle right here. It's perfect. Hey, somebody pull the truck in. I'm going to stay on top of the truck and climb into the tree. We found the perfect location so we can take some additional photos and video it as well. We in there, baby. So if you guys ever want something like a picture taken, a video, I don't do birthdays and nothing like that. I'm gonna tell you straight up right now, I don't do that. I do high fashion things, high fashion photos, high fashion videos, and guess what? Every day we're getting better, we're getting stronger, we're growing, we're turning up. Hey, we in there. It's almost 6 o'clock, y'all. I'm done. I am beat. Had a long day, a very successful day. And tonight, it's gonna be a late night for me because I'm staying up and I'm filming the Great Guerrilla. So I hope he's ready. Hope he got his stuff together because I need this to be quick and on point. It's gonna be great though. It's gonna be great. I'm beat. Y'all got the car started?